you're just joining us for To Catch a Cheater, Jeff is on the phone and he thinks his girlfriend of 3 years named Annie might be cheating. We're going to call her in a second and pretend to be from the grocery store where she's a rewards card member and say that every single month we choose one rewards card member, totally random, who gets free flowers delivered from our floral department to anybody that they want. We'll see if she sends them to Jeff or to somebody else. But before we do that, Jeff, why don't you catch everybody up on your situation?
Okay, so moved into a new place about a month and a half ago, my girlfriend and I, and she works from home. I work in the city. I commute, so she's alone all the time. She's been having all these quote-unquote issues with the apartment, and the handyman has been there while I'm not around, and it feels fishy.
And what's the handyman's name again?
His name is Danny.
Danny. You ready for us to call her?
Yes, please.
All right, man. Here we go.
Hello?
Hi, this is Corbin calling from I was looking for Annie.
Yes, this is she.
Hi, Annie. You're a rewards card member with us, and please don't hang up. This is not a marketing phone call. I'm actually calling to say congratulations. You're this month's big winner. Yay.
What did I win?
Oh, maybe you haven't seen the signs, but every single month we choose one rewards card member at random to say thank you very much for being such a loyal customer. You've won 36 long stem red roses, a box of candy or chocolate, and a card to be delivered to anybody that you want. It's actually a $342 value.
Oh, okay. So, am I going to get charged something later for this?
Absolutely not. No, this is completely on us. It's just our way of saying thank you.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you.
Well, thank you for shopping with us.
Okay. So what do we...
Good question. If you know the person you want to send them to, I can just take the information down in a matter of minutes over the phone.
I think I have an idea.
Okay. I just need the first and last name of the person, and then I'll get the rest of the information from you.
Okay. First name is Danny.
Okay. Danny, and then the last name?
Last name is...
And then, would you like to include any candies or anything like that?
Did you say like a box of chocolate?
Yep, we can do chocolate.
Yeah, that would be great.
And just to check and make sure, would this be a romantic type of chocolate? So make it like a heart-shaped one, or it's not?
I mean, it can be.
And would you like to put anything on a card, and then after that I'll get the address from you and we'll be good to go?
Thank you, Mr. Fix-It.
That's cute.
Who the is Mr. Fix-It? Annie. Who's Mr. Fix-It?
Annie, this is actually a radio show. It's the Jubal Show. My name is Jubal.
Yeah, hi, I'm Nina.
Hi, and I'm Victoria.
And we do a segment called To Catch a Cheater, where if you think your significant other is cheating, you see who they send flowers to, and that is your boyfriend, Jeff.
Yeah,
no, I hear that.
Your boyfriend, Jeff, who you live with.
What is happening?
What do you mean, what's happening? I think you should tell me that. Well, I you know what? All this bullshit where Mr. Danny comes over, his little tool belt. What's going on? You started a new job. You got a new place. My place. My name's on the lease. Now you got a new man. What is this? Tell me right now. No. Yes, tell me.
He's just been helping a lot around the apartment. There's no. Just wanted to thank him.
Our brand new apartment. Our brand new place.
Can you just calm down for a second, okay? Because this is really weird. If you wanted to talk to me about something, you don't have to do this.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, hey, Annie, I'm listening. Go. Let's hear this bullshit. Let me hear it. Tell me.
I wanted to thank him for doing things around the apartment. He's been helping
with flowers and chocolate. Sure. Okay. That's great. That's nice.
It was a free thing that was dropped in my lap. What is the problem?
A free thing. So your first instinct is to send this to Danny instead of your boyfriend who you live with.
Oh my God, this is ridiculous. He has just been helping around the place.
Hey, we actually agree on that. It is ridiculous. You wanted to do what? Let's hear it. I want to hear it all. I want to see how much bullshit comes out of your mouth right now.
What is it that I could possibly say that you are not going to be upset with right now? I'm sorry I didn't send you flowers, but he's been really, really really helpful. And I thought,
I'll bet he has. I'll bet he has. Just so you know, I've been on the call the whole time, and when they said, "Is it romantic?" you said, "It could be." What's that? What is it? Explain that, please.
God, could you just shut up for a second? I'm trying to. You just ambushed me. I don't know. I think
I ambushed you. Okay.
They said something about like a heart-shaped box. I don't really care if it's a heart-shaped box. It's kind of
you
nice.
said it could be romantic. You said it. No. You're focusing on the wrong thing here. Tell me why it could be romantic. Explain that and that only. I don't give a about the box.
It can be. I don't think it can be romantic. I just wanted to do something nice.
Then why did you say it could be romantic? Do you understand what you said?
Okay, I get it, but like, there's nothing. Oh, I don't even know what to say right now.
Okay.
Look.
Great.
There's nothing happening,
Annie.
Okay? He's just really nice and helping.
Sure.
And I know that you know that I've been a little flirty, but that's just so that he will continue helping around the place. I don't
you don't
have
think
any,
he'll
like,
feelings. So, Annie, you think that if you're not flirty with him, then he won't do his job? Do you think is that how he gets payment then? He's not paid. This isn't his job. He just works on flirtation. Is that what you're trying to spin here?
Wow.
No.
It's honestly pretty funny, Annie.
Look, can we just talk some other time?
We are talking.
Like, this is...
Yeah. Let's talk later. When you have time to spin some kind of bullshit story. Like, even worse than you're doing right now.
You know what? If you were home more often, maybe I wouldn't have to bang Danny.
What?
Whoa.
Wow.
And she hung up.
This is perfect, guys. This is absolutely the conclusion that I needed to. I can't wait to throw her on the curb. Thank you, guys. And I can't wait to get a year of free rent because their employee.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
wow.
They can.
Dude, well, I'm sorry, man, but, it will work out in the long run. I'm sure it's going to suck for a while, but at least you found out.
I'm making lemonade out of this. For sure.
Yeah.
Lemonade. Oh, man, good luck.
Yeah, honestly, thank you guys so much. I probably would have never found out if I didn't do something like this. Here we are.
All right, take care, man.